Take a ride in the 2009 Silverado 3500HD. Pros, everything. Cons, nothing, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, tires, front, on-off road, tires, rear, on-off road, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, MP3 player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.